Do you think your company's social media posts are a complete waste of resources? Do you have a social media presence just because everyone else is doing it? Do you wonder if your company's social media channels are helping to generate profitable revenue? Look, most social media posts don't have a purpose. It's a creation of content for the sake of creating content. Let's change this now. When marketing your business online, you should be focused on lead generation, lead nurture, and lead conversion. I mean, you're running a business, right? Then you should have a real social media strategy, and each post should have a goal. So what's the goal of each post? What do you want the viewer to do? What's the call to action? And how are you going to measure the success? Now, when I say measuring success, I don't mean like getting more likes and comments, follows, or shares. These are all meaningless vanity metrics on someone else's website and not on your website. I mean, did they click your website or sign up for your opt-in email list or buy something from you? Also, never ever use social media analytics to measure your success. Only use your own Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics to verify your measurement. So, let's create a goal for each social media post and a way to measure it, and you'll be a step ahead of the competition. And you'll probably just find out that all of your social media posts are just a waste of your resources. If you like what you're hearing, then leave a comment below and hit that like button. And if you are in my group coaching program, we are going to discuss email body copy in depth at our next meeting. Now watch this next video so you can make more money with digital marketing.